Hi, my name is Keith and welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you a way which is the simplest and easiest way you can use to make money for free. Yeah, you heard me right, for free. So you're not going to invest anything, you're not going to refer people, you're not going to do anything. All what you're going to do is simply install an app and the app is going to make money for you. Okay, but before you leave this video, this is not about Bitcoin mining. Okay, you're not going to be mining anything. Like, all you need to do is simply install the app and the app is going to generate money for you for free. So is this real? Yeah, it is real, and this is what we're going to find out in the next seconds from now. So what is this app? Well, this app is no other than McMoney. So the app I'm actually going to install, it's called McMoney. But before you leave this video, I'm actually going to show you the proof that this method actually works, that you can actually make money for free without actually doing anything. So without wasting your time, let's begin. So as I said earlier on, this app is called McMoney. So all you need to do is include the link in the description to where you can actually download this app. Okay, and this app is only available for Android. So all you need to do is simply click on download McMoney app and install it. Okay, so before I install it on the phone, let me first explain how this app works. So this app is similar to the app that I had posted, I think that should be 2 years or a year ago. So here's what happens. So when you install this app, okay, how will money be generated? Okay, so let us read what's written here. So according to this website, saying the first step is download the app, proceed the installation, register a phone number, receive SMS, and make money. So you're actually going to be receiving SMSs and to be able to make money. But the question is, where are these SMSs going to come from? Are these SMSs from your friends, people you chat with? No. So these are SMSs that are going to come from the same platform. Okay. And when you receive those SMSs, you're going to make money per SMS that you receive. Okay. But why is that so? Okay. This platform is not only working in Zambia, but it's working in a lot of countries. Okay. So what they do is they test out like the sending of SMSs, like if they reach in your country, blah blah blah, stuff like that. Yeah, like it's mainly for testing purposes, and you get paid for helping that. So they're saying that by letting them send text messages to your phone, you allow them to test and improve mobile operations. Simply put, you help the mobile operators work together. And not important, each message you receive adds more money to your McMoney bank, which is real money. Okay, so the good part is that you can actually withdraw this money at any time. Okay, so once more again, before I show you how to install the app, so the thing about this app, like when you install it on your phone, okay, for you to make money, you have to be connected to the internet so that you can receive SMSs, and once you do that, you'll be able to make money. Okay, so the other way you can actually make more money is if you can refer this app to other people. Okay, I hate referring people, so if you don't like referring people, then that's okay. You can simply be receiving SMSs and you'll be making money without doing anything. So to increase your earnings, you can either be making sure that you're always connected to the internet and you're always receiving SMSs, or you can refer other people. Okay, either way, it's to work. So let me just grab the same phone. I'm actually using the Android to record this video. Okay, so this app is only available on the Android. Okay, and it's not available on the iPhone. So I'm going to end the video recording now and switch to the Android. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up my Chrome browser on the phone by searching for it. Chrome, here it is. Okay, and this is the website. So what I'm going to do is click on accept and click on download anyways, click on details. So the downloading is complete. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on open it, and I'm going to use the package installer to install it. Okay, and click on install anyway. Okay, so the app has been installed. Then open it up, and this is how it's actually going to look like. So it's saying that you're going to earn 0.37 for signing up as a welcome gift. Okay, and you'll be able to withdraw once you reach the minimum limit of $7. Okay, so one thing I forgot to talk about is that you actually withdraw money using PayPal account. So I do create PayPal accounts that can both send and receive, or you can simply contact me and withdraw through mine. Either way, feel free to contact me. Okay, then let us have already talked about all these. Then click on start now, then click on next step, then click on I consent and I accept. Okay, then click on allow, then allow. Then now here simply going to enter in the phone number, which is 1977770202. Click on next. Then if someone referred me, yeah, I think this is the part you have to enter the referral code. Then click on next. Then it's going to request for a verification code. Okay, so I've received the verification code, but the verification code is on my iPhone. So let me do this so that I can show you the verification code. Yep. So here is the verification code. Let me do this. Yeah, that's the verification code that's come on my Airtel Money. So let me just enter it. Okay, it's now verifying. Yes, okay. Allow. Then I'm going to, this is my referral code. Click on share, then copy, then click on start. So as you can see, currently I've got 0.37 for signing up, and the minimum I can withdraw is $7. So all I have to do is simply wait, and I'll start receiving SMSs and I'll start making money. Then on news, there is earnings. Okay, there's inbox for good messages, account, the number, the name. So this is where you enter in the PayPal email address where you'd like to receive money to. Referral if you'd like to refer people. So this is it about this video. Give it a try. If you learned something from this video, give it a like. But before I end the video, okay, so I forgot to talk about one thing. I said that I was going to show you the proof that this thing works. So this is my money, and let me show you the payment. So here is the transaction here. So it's saying that payment received from CM Netherlands. Okay, and this was on 12th May. Okay, this is last year. We're now in June. So it's saying paid by CM Netherlands. Okay, and as you can see, it's coming from the email account .payable@cm.com. So this is actually cm.com over here. Yeah, so by the way, this is not edited, so I can refresh the page. And okay, so as you can see, this is the real. Yeah, this does your money payout. Okay, so this it is. So let me just even print this out. Okay, then I'm simply going to save it as a PDF. Done. Okay, so that's it. Here is what's important. Yeah, of course, yes, this app is legit and you'll be able to make money, but obviously for you to make reasonable, obviously you want to be able to make a reasonable amount of money. Okay, in short, it will take like weeks or even a month for you to be able to make a $5. Okay, but anyway, it's worth it because it's free and you're not investing anything. But if you are looking for something serious that can actually help you like make a real money legitimately, okay, actually I've got something good. So all you need to do is head over to my website and go to the courses page. So I've got stuff. If you're interested in making serious money online, Okay, I've got the affiliate marketing course. This is the course that's going to teach you on how you can promote things online and make money. The course is only 175 quarter to enroll. Then I've got a crypto business course. If you want to learn how to make money with Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, the course is 500 kwacha. You'll be able to make money fast with it. Then finally, the forex course, which is 2000 kwacha. You'll be able to then forex and be able to trade on your own. And the last three, if you'd like to know how to buy things from abroad and sell in Zambia for selling purposes, the course is only 100 kwacha. So all these courses are on my website. Like once you pay, I'm going to give you access and you'll be able to learn from anywhere at any time at your own speed. So you can contact me. My number will be in the description. But for now, this is Keith.